Malaking binulgar netong kampo ng ating kababayan matapos nga tong disenteng mga numero na kanyang nabitawan dito sa naganap na huling dalawang laban ng Team Pilipinas sa classification round ng FIBA. Yan ay matapos mong i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon ay mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Kahapon nga mga bularo, talagang naging laman ng usap-usapan etong malaking balita na nilabas ng SBP. Especially matapos nilang ipakilala si Coach Tim Cone bilang bagong tao na magmamando sa ating pambansang koponan. Especially matapos mag-resign etong si Chot after ng kanilang nakuhang panalo kontra China. Pero maliban dito, naging laman din ng usap-usapan kagabi etong malaking binulgar ng Senior Director ng Washerman regarding sa kanilang next step para dito sa ating kababayan matapos ang kanyang dissenting performance dito sa naganap na run ng Pilipinas sa World Cup.
Yeah, so first of all, in his contract states he is going back to Hiroshima. So let's look at the positive of that. Going back to Hiroshima is what's going to happen. He's going to get 25 minutes a night. He's going to get his body stronger. We really got to get his core strength because once he gets that, everything else is going to come because his skill set is outstanding. He can shoot, he can rebound, he can run the floor. We got to just got to get him stronger. So let's look at all the positive.
Yeah.
You know, being able to go to Hiroshima. Now, in his contract states, yeah, if an NBA team or G League team calls with a great opportunity for him, we are open ears. And again, we're in talks. But right now it's Hiroshima. But again, the future for him is bright. I mean, we're talking about a 21-year-old. Most top college players are coming out now when they're 22, 23, unless you're LeBron or Kobe or, you know, the special peeps of the world that come out. And the Luka Doncic's. But Kai is in that, continue to get better, as you could tell by watching his minutes when he did play in the World Cup this summer, when he got in the game and stayed positive.